welcome in here. Now we're only in the sunset. What are you talking? Now what behind? That'll make it too small. If you just keep it, because this is too no. Make it got it. Oh, still heavy, very good go. Well, let this out. Relax it. Sabi na ko. Ow, that hurts. Yun, that. What is this? That. You know what's that?
Kung ito'y masusugat ka rin.
What is also those? What are those things?
Alam mo, wild.
Ayun. So they like bite. Like bite. No, now we're done. Can I put your very landing here? And you cannot see us because of this. Because now you can see us. Look, patingin mo yung nanalo mo. Patingin mo yung nanalo mo. Nanalo na yung Black Blast. Hindi. Are you playing Black Blast? Are you playing Black Blast?
Black Blast is royal match.
He's playing a royal hatch. Now that's it. Now we'll go. Game with big. We're going to the heroes. Ito, okay na. Or mix na lang. Uy, mix. Look, sayang mo naman yung mix. Why did you go? No, I told you to mix it. Mix mo na. Buo mo yung mix ha. Oh, mix ha. Uy, matay ka na. Salamat tayo. Bili ka na ng moves. I hope that you can do. If you have a little girl in the door or God, if you don't have a home, or just a punching, what means it? Sorry po sa inyo. I say, sorry po guys. Sorry. I hope that is only speaker in another video. Uy, malapit ka na. Ay, hindi pa na. Baka checks mo na. Lulay. Can I hold this so they will know this? Nalaro siya ng royal hatch. So they can watch them. Pag ayun dito, dami-dami ka na magdalot yung puppy kids when they want to eat. They need of a hard for us. Uy, mix. Na. Mix mo isa. Na. I thought you mix it the same. Gucci ko. Royal match na siya. Then if you, doon na siya, he's done. King treasure and, uy, pala mo yun. Stay. Which, because you were in there. Now you can begin. Now you always begin in here. If you want your phone and close with that of this you played of this game, and go back in your game, your favorite game. Oh, it's malapit na siya. We miss you guys. We're gonna do it again. Now this one's standard with this. Because that is one! Ah! Like instead, they didn't show me. And I'm like, I gotta cover up it in the side of head. Why did I do it up the side of head? This is a harmony. What is it harmony? What is it voice like? This is what it sounds like. Masih kau tak tahu apa music. And you're almost there. You're almost doing the festival. My festival dito. I'm so very tired of this. Wait for me guys. Now we're almost there, so I can upload it to more and more for 3 parts.